Yeah, so just starting with the outside here real quick, just kind of a quick overview. It is solar ready on the side, so if you do want to trickle charge that battery, you can get a solar panel here and keep that charged up. You got 30-gallon LP tanks. You do get some outlets going there. You got a higher quality step here leading straight into the bedroom. We'll get in there in just a minute here. And then you just got a pretty standard slide out here. Now this does have 4 slide outs, so this is just one of 3. The other 3 will be on the other side, and it is 41 feet 10 inches long, so just shy of being 42 foot, weighing a little bit over 10,000 pounds at 10,240 pounds there. So if you all want to, we can take a step inside and kind of go over everything. So just to start with here, you got a pretty good sized bed here, and it is fully walk around, so you're not bumped up to one side. You know, you and the spouse can each get out on each side there, and you still got your thermostat here. You can alter the temperature. You don't got to go all the way through the camper to do that. And then you got full stackable washer dryer already in here, so you don't got to worry about going up to the campground laundromat there to do your laundry. You got some pretty cool storage here. With USB ports, 2 more outlets, and it is prepped for a TV. You can just mount it right there. It's already got the backer installed. And then you just got a little more closet space here, so you'll never run out of room. And there you go. It's got room down in there. You can put your shoes in there, kind of get the whole 9, and then some more overhead storage as well with chargers for your phone, because they didn't forget about those cell phones being charged up at nighttime. Moving on in to the rest of it here.
I'll squeeze by you here, Wyatt. Excuse me.
Yeah. So you got your bathroom there, toilet, full shower, and it does give you a seat as well, and you still got some storage there. You got your sink, mirror, already got your toothbrush holder, so that y'all don't have to be touching like that. And then you got your sliding door here, along with the curtains, so that way you can, you know, keep the sun out of your eyes on a sunny day. And then just a little more storage space there, coat racks, just kind of miscellaneous stuff. And moving on through here, this is going to be your 3 of 4 slides, other than that one in the bedroom there. You got a fold down bunk with the sofa, plenty of room for the kids, and then a little more storage space for all of their clothes, toys, whatever you may have. And moving on out here, that way they get their own little private space. You do got a nice island here and a cover for your sink, and you got a big nice deep sink in there, that way you can never run out of room. 4 top burner stove instead of a 3, so you know you can really get some stuff grilling. Full size microwave. I mean, this thing kind of has it all, with overhead storage there for pots, pans, full oven as well. You can fit your Thanksgiving turkey in there. And then maybe my favorite appliance in here is the full-size fridge, because how many times have we been camping, you run out of space in the fridge because it's just a little bit too small. Puma thought of that. You're covered full and clear. Now you do have even more storage in here. I mean, it's about as deep as you could get there. I mean, you can fit spices, chips, you know, any kind of food you need in there. So you have plenty of space. More TV backer here, already mounted up, and they do give you storage behind that as well if you got some DVDs for movies, whatever the case may be, along with the stereo. That way you can kind of bump some tunes as you're cooking that Thanksgiving meal. And then you do got a nice fireplace, a little more shelf storage there as well. You got a sofa here, will also fold out into a bed.
Let me help you there, Wyatt.
Yeah. My mic fell off. So that way, if you have anybody staying, you can always stay social. Your friends, family won't have to get a hotel room. And then you still got your outlets on each side as well. And this can sleep too, depending on the size of people you have. So you got that whole separate room there, the bunks for the kids, and then you got a whole nother bed here as well. And then you still got your seats here, and you know, full recliners, cup holder, a little more storage space there so you can, lose a cell phone charger or whatever you may want to do there. Freestanding table and chairs. I mean, how many of us have all tried to squeeze into one of those small dinettes and you're just bumping elbows that whole dinner? So here you can just turn this bad boy around, set up the chairs, have a family meal, and not just be fully cramped in the style. Dallas, anything else?
Now, everything looks really good in this. Like I said, I own a Puma. I love it. A lot of the same features in mine. Very practical. Solid surface countertops, as you said, lots of storage, lots of space to sleep, things like that. Now this is what they call a destination trailer, okay? So one thing about destination trailers, guys, is you can pull them, you can take them from place to place if you like, but honestly, most people will park them. That's kind of why you got your sliding glass door here, because people will put a deck out there, they'll put some wooden steps that go down. So primarily these are made to kind of put in one spot. We do get a lot of inquiries about these things because people are doing the permanent camping a little bit more. But other than that, I mean, it's just a real practical camper. It has a lot of your creature comforts, a lot of the things that people want when they're camping, but it isn't crazy high money, anything like that. So that's part of the reason that I own one, honestly. It's very practical. So other than that, Wyatt, do you have anything else on the features of this? Or?
I don't think so. Okay. I mean, you got your underglow here for a little bit of mood lighting. You got your ceiling fan. They really did their best to make this a home on wheels. So no matter where you go, you really do feel like you're in a house. And I'm 6'3", and I don't have to worry about being super cramped. So I think that kind of covers it for this one.
No, absolutely.